for yourself. Glenn, what's up, baby? Acting all stiff in here. Don't act stiff in here. Ladies, I know you holding your stomach in. After about 4 or 5 drinks, you forgot. Oh, Lord, look at that. Had the men confused when you walked in here. Man, she's fine in the mug. Look at that man. Oh. All right. Single mothers in here, single mothers. Don't get too loud. Y'all crazy. That's why you're single. Don't nobody want your crazy self. For real. And one time I saw a pimp in a wheelchair. This is a true story. Now that messed me up because normally if a hoe don't have a pimp money, he pimp slap her. Not this pimp. He's like one of his girls. Shirley, come here. Where's my money? Oh, you ain't got it? Put your foot right here.